So now I'm going to show you how to put some grass seed for a new lawn there. So I'm going to use this Contractor's all-purpose grass seed mixture, and also use some lawn food here, as you can see. And I'm going to show you how I work this out in a very simple way. So here I'm just going to do it by hand here and spread it out a little bit like this here. And later I will walk on it, and of course you got to water it a lot. Okay? So now I'm going to show you how to spread it in a good way. So I'm just going to, as you can see here, that's how I'm going to throw it there. And spread it. Yeah, be generous there. And with the wind, you'll have a little bit of help. So see how it is there. And next step after, I'm going to walk on the grass, and then after, water it generously. So now we're going to stomp on the soil here to bury a little bit the seeds, the grass seeds. So I'm doing the old way here. It's pretty fun, as you can see. A lot of exercise, not for lazy people, eh? Yeah. When I think about people that get their lawn spreader there, putting like more than $100 in that, seriously, you can keep your money for something else more important. Anyway, I'd rather do the old way. If you don't like it, go spend your money. I hope you enjoyed this video here. We'll see how it goes. Next step, we gotta water it. Okay, as you can see here, I spread all the grass, stumped the soil, level a little bit more there, just to make sure. And the result is pretty good, as you can see. So now we just have to water. So as you can see, I started watering the soil here with the grass seeds and the food lawn. So I got a lot of work to do. We'll see how it goes. Now after a couple weeks, this is the result here of the grass. So you see it's spread quite rapidly. Some patches are thicker than others, but that depends if you're walking a lot on the lawn or not. But it's not a big issue. It's growing now, so you can always add some more grass seed, some spots there, and it'll take 15 days to grow after. But I'm pretty happy about the result here, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video here. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me. And see you in the next video here.